So, ayun na nga, mga kasiya. So, hindi ko pa gagawin yung granny kasi hindi pa ako ready. Kasi nakakatakot daw yung chapter 2. So, ito muna tayo. Mimi cry. So, nakabukas ba microphone? Guys, reading niyo ba ako? Okay, so wait lang, maglalagin na ako. Wait lang So, ayan guys. Yan na. Oh my god. If you are invited by a friend, enter this code here to get a bonus. I don't have code. Sorry. So, ayun na nga. Maghahanap tayong female. Guys, anong tingin nyo dyan? Ang pangit oh. Ano ba ito? Parang alien. Ay. Parang galing naman sa kulungan si ate. Ay. Ay. Uy. Ito na lang. Mas maganda pa ito eh. Hairstyle si Carbush. Ew! Sheesh. Red hair tie for Mika. Guys, comment if you're beanie. Kasi ako beanie ako. Kay our name. Ano pong name natin? Siyempre, Saya Gaming. So, madami akong kalokohan. So, ganito yung kalokohan. Ay, hindi. Yan. Yan. So, ayun. Okay. Flag. Ano po? Okay. It's our flag. Philippines tayo, guys. So, Denmark. Ay. Okay. Costa Rica. Okay. France. Guys, may ano ako. May chismis ko lang. May friend ako, pangalan niya Franz. Hindi ko din alam. Wala lang. Nasa ba yung Philippines dito? Eto! Let's go. Let's create this. Oh my gosh, it's this. Rules. Once in the game, look for weapons and supplies for 30 seconds. Then one of the player will get infected and be able to turn into a monster. Okay. Follow the markers and complete markers. And complete task to fit overall process bar. So, di natin alam kung ano gagawin dito. Ay, makinig tayo guys. Kasi hindi naman natin alam, di ba? When the progress bar is full, open the central exit and escape to win. If you are left alone, you can get out through the escape hatch. You can win by killing a monster. To kill a monster, firstly knock it out and then burn it with a flamethrower. Kailangan natin makakuha ng flamethrower para makapatay natin. The monster can turn into players it kills, communicate, and don't trust anyone completely. So, may chance din tayo na tayo pwede maging ganun. Do not kill people without a reason. You'll be fined and all players will know about the murder. Communicate while standing next to each other. Use a radio so you can be heard everywhere. Bandage and health energy drinks boost of your speed. Bandage. You can throw away the items that pulling off your inventory. So, cut. Okay, so, yan na. Nabasa ko na lahat. So, di nyo naabutan kasi, I guess, matagal na siya. Kasi, in-explain ko paano maging monster. So, maglalay ka lang daw. Tapos, di mo sila pagkukomplete ng task. Okay. So, kahit ano tayo dito kasi ayaw ko magpa-reveal mo. So, practically, di pa ako 18. I'm underage. And that's typically not... I'm parang 30, 40, 50, 16, 17, like that. Oh my gosh, sino kaya dito? Valid. I Ilan pa ba pera? Ay, wala pa nga akong pera. Hindi pwede Hello? Yung ingay nila. Guys, hello. Oh my god, guys. Did you just hear that? Seriously, te. Iba sila, hindi sila Philippines. Naman di Pilipinas yung mga nandito. Ba yan? Wala naman ako makipag-communicate. Okay. Okay. I guess wala namang monster sa inyo. So, enjoy po. Oh my God. Pero natakot na agad ako eh. So, wala tayo. Okay, syempre, tago lang tayo dito. Okay, may task doon, pero hindi ko gagawin. Sila na, bahala na sila dun. Guys, kanina pa ako nakatakot dito at hindi ko talaga alam kung anong gagawin ko. Wait lang. Wait lang. So, ayun nga guys. Kasi alam niyo naman, scared ako. Hindi granny pa nga, hindi natin matapos ito pa kaya. Yeah, parang kitang-kita. Kung hindi kitang-kita para tayo dito. Let's go na lang. Oh my gosh, yun. Sana pwede naman pumunta dito. You're not. Are you not? Please, can I follow you? I'm not monster. Oh my gosh, yung monster dito sa atin. Guys, are you not monsters? I'm not monster, I promise. Please save me. I don't want to be killed. I'm really scared right now. Oh my gosh, you had that. Please protect me. I don't know what to do. What country are you? Oh my gosh. I think he's the monster. He's standing right there. Oh my god. Please don't go near me. You have the fire, so it means you're not the monster. Oh my god. She's following. She's following. Do not follow me, weirdo. Leave the school immediately. Let's go guys. Saan ba tayo pupunta? Ay. Where are we going, guys? I don't know where we go. We're gonna leave the school. Let's go na. Let's just leave the school. What are we doing here? Saan ang dito? Hey, it's time to run, guys. It's time to run. Oh my gosh, guys, can you not understand me? You're so bobo naman. Ay, sorry, guys. Sorry. Guys, where are you guys? Please wait for me. Where are you going, dude? Lol, wait for me, please. Where are we going? Oh my god, there's no more time, guys. don't leave me alone. It's so dangerous here. Okay, we're gonna run out of time. Where are you guys? Where are you guys? Wala naman na iniwan. Yes! Oh! It's so good. It's so good. So good. Kaso nga lang di ako naintindihan ng mga ano. Diba? Okay. Bag 60. So, yan na po tayo. Wala bang... Ay, naka-ano ba? Guys, is there no, is there... Hey, you Japanese. Japan. Yeah, Japan. House in Japan. I want to go to Japan. It's my favorite country for all times. Do you like your country? I like Japan the most. But I love my country too. Is there no joining? It's really just 1, 2, 3, 4 of us. Minimum 5 oh my gosh, the Japanese. What are you? Anaskan. Ross. What are you? Rascal. What's your name? What's your real name? I don't know you. We're just 2 of here. Please don't leave. Don't leave, please. Ay, Tara. Ano yun? What is that? So guys, anong gagawin natin? Mag-invite tayo. Ay, hindi. Bawala tayo eh. May nag-join ba? Guys, ayun, may nag-join. Oh my gosh, you're China. China, do you love your country? Cause I love my country too. Do you love your country?
Yeah, sure. I love my country.
What are you?
Mexico.
I'm Philippines. Oh, she backed out. We're just 2 here. Oh my god, why did you go? Guys! Bakit ako na lang dito, ha? Alis na tayo. Lib. What is this? I don't know this. Ay, ba't activate ko? Wala nga akong pera. Guys, just keep subscribing, please. We're off to, our goal is 1,000 subscribers. I'll be really thankful to you guys if you know. Madali bang kunin dito guys yung yung parang silver? Chat nyo nga. Kung madaling kunin yung silver. Yung parang silver, pero yung gold hindi, di ba? Oh, ay! Okay. Oh my gosh! Okay. Hi guys! Hello te! Micaela Elois. Hello. I'm Filipinas too. O, ba't parang pare-pares tayo ng mga buhok? Te, ako lang si Mike.
Ay, mag-alay na kayo.
Kaya nga eh.
Lord!
Ayun, may Philippines dito guys. Okay. Oh my gosh. Start. Oh my gosh. Can we team? Okay. Can we team, girl? Can we team? Te, team tayo. Te. Ikaw lang Pilipinas dito. Ikaw lang oh my god. Ikaw lang nakaintindi sa akin. Sa totoo lang. Guys, everyone, just stay here and we'll be all safe. But I don't know if the monster is here with us. Just come here. Oh my gosh. Who's the monster? Oh my gosh, I think. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, what happened? Guys, ano yun? Anong Micaela is? Ay, wow. Sarah. Gara. Ay, iba pala yun. Gara pala yun. Huy! For the go. Nakatlong game na tayo ah. Tayo galing mo sana all. Wait lang.
Damn it, the mission has failed. Get down for emergency exits.